All right, ladies, it's time to talk about that new kit. What's up, baggage? It's your girl, Rockstar, your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. If we've never met, hi. My name's Rochelle and I'm a 31 consultant and I do all the fun right here on this channel. So if you're loving the vibe, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Give this video a big like and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who just want to know the 401 on this new Sunny Days social kit. Now, you know, before we get into all the good stuff, I gotta give you the 401 on what's happening right now because May has been totally amazing and you girls trying my best to keep you girls up to date. Okay, first and foremost, Rockstar's BOGO Buy One Gift One event is totally rocking. Thank you, ladies, for all your nominees, and the first set of gifts have already shipped. Now, my second set of gift sets, they're going to be going out by the end of this week. So, ladies, thank you all those who shop with me and for giving me those nominations. Your loved ones will be truly blessed and truly surprised with their gifts from you. Now, if you don't know what to shop for this month, ladies, there's just so many things that are going on. First of all, Hello Happies. There's 2 Hello Happies out, March and April. I know you girls know that. Here's one, and here's the other. As always, I will link videos down below and up above just for you if you guys want an unboxing of those videos. There's PS bundles. There's 2 sets. Here's one, and here's the other. Both are still available. I believe there's 3 of them that have already sold out. As always, you girls can use the Hello Happies and the PS bundles to unlock your customer rewards. So when you put $50 in your cart, you can get anything for 50% off, including a Hello Happy or a PS bundles. So you can imagine the deals on deals on deals on deals. Ladies, again, there's like double the fun this month. You girls can now shop from 2 catalogs. Here's one, which is our spring catalog, and then here's the other one, which is our We Love Summer catalog. This We Love Summer catalog is completely our outlet sale. All prices are discounted already, so what you see price below is what you get. So imagine if you stacked up on $50 in the We Love Summer catalog, and then you unlock a 50% off, and you can unlock a PS bundle. Like, that's deals on deals on deals on steal, right, girls? Just letting you know. And then lastly, if there's any of these things that catch your eye, don't forget to get in my monthly mystery houses. The link is down below for May. I will be announcing that winner on the 26th of this month, giving you plenty of time to shop. All right, ladies, so let's go ahead and get the 401 on the Sunny Days social kit. Wait till the very end of the video if you want to see my strategy on how you can maximize that kit on top of inside rewards. All right, so here is a basic 101. What is the Sunny Days social kit? It is for $99. You get a 231 gift certificate from 31. How will you get the gift certificate? Basically, after you sign up, it will be in your, we call it back office. It'll be accredited to your account. How long is this kit available for? It started last week on May 15th, and it will last until the very end of summer, August 31st. Is there an expiration? Yes. You have until the end of your Jumpstart period to use all of your credit. So for instance, if you joined in May, you'll have the end of June to go ahead and redeem that credit. Now, if you join in June, you have the end of July to redeem that credit. So ladies, let's say if you join June 1st, you have until the end of July 31st to redeem that credit. How soon will you be getting access to this credit? Ladies, basically, once you sign up, you're able to get access to all the consultant perks and the consultant back office the same day. You will receive a welcome email from 31, and then the next day, you'll be receiving another email on how to redeem those rewards. And how it will show up is when you go ahead and check out during your shopping spree, there will be an option to use your Sunny Days social credit. And what's even great, you don't have to use all the credit all at once. You can use it towards retail, party, or consultant orders. You can mix and match products, personalization, and business supplies. So again, super awesome. You do not have to use all the credit all at once. You can totally divide it up, but you do have the end of your Jumpstart period to utilize all of your credit. So again, if you shop in May, you have to make sure that you use all your credit by the end of June. Now, let's go get to that strategy on how you can maximize your credit to earn rewards. Now, let's go with the most easiest and straightforward strategy. This is the first level. With your $231 credit, you simply go on a shopping spree, creating a party under your name. So you would create your party, you go ahead and shop your $231 because that $231 will unlock the insider credits, okay? So not only will you get the $231 in credit, but you'll get $20 in hostess credit, one half item, and access to one of the insider products. On top of that, you'll be getting your 25% commission, so you will get $57.75 back. Okay, that is just like the first strategy. Now, if you want to go ahead and do the next level, because there's 3 levels in this, lady. Next level, we're going to go ahead and do it again. We're going to go ahead and create your own party under your name. You go ahead and do that shopping spree of $231. And ladies, we're going to try and get you to the next level, which is a $500 party. And guess what, ladies? Since you already have $231 in there, it's only a matter of $269. So invite your friends and your family to go ahead and shop that launch party link so you can rack up those rewards. Because when you get to $500, this is what you're going to get. This is what you're going to get. You're going to move up that launch party to the $500 level. So not only will you have your $231 to splurge on, you'll get $100 in hostess credit. You'll get 2 half items, and then you'll get 2 insider exclusives to get access to. On top of that, 31 is having bonus incentive all summer. So when you reach $500 in personal volume in a month, you will be getting a bonus of 10%. So you will go ahead and get 35% in commission, meaning that you will be getting $175 back as a commission check. Now, what about commissions? Ladies, did you know that we get paid twice a month? Yes, around the 10th of the month and around the 24th of the month, and is direct deposited into your account if your profile is set up that way. So that is level 2 on how to maximize to your $500 party. You pretty much get half, if not all, of your money back. All right, ladies, now this is the level 3. This is the queen bee, the oomph of the Now, if you want to reach the top level, which is $1,000, now if you, let's say you have joined June 1st, you have almost 2 months to go ahead and do this. So if you want to add another strategy to that, go ahead and join at a time when you have time to reach to this level, okay? Because $1,000 may be intimidating, but it's totally doable. And of course, if you choose me to work with, I will be super honored. But as always, I always tell you, go ahead and reach out to the consultant that you're working with so that you girls know that you're on the same page and working towards this awesome goal that you're gonna have. All right, for $1,000, okay, you're gonna go ahead and set up your launch party. You're gonna go ahead and do your shopping spree of $231. Okay, we're gonna share friends and family your link. We're gonna do a launch party, whatever you want, Zoom party, bingo party, until the end of your Jumpstart. And this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get $200 in insider credit. You're gonna get 2 half off items, and you're gonna get 2 free insider exclusive items. But not only that, you will also earn $350 in commission because you'll be earning 35% commission at that rate. And plus, and added, you've earned your Jumpstart AMP. 3 months of a free website. That means, yes, the website will be free for 3 months. That is how you totally maximize that $99 with your credits and your rewards. By the end of your shopping spree, you're gonna be like, what? I gotta do more shopping? If you have any additional questions, go ahead and put them down in the comments down below. If you want to personally reach out to me, there's a Google Docs down below where you can contact me. Or if you're ready to talk to me, you can go ahead and check out my phone appointment calendar down below, and we can totally chit chat. I will also be leaving the summer and the spring catalogs down there for you to check out as well. Ladies, I will see you tomorrow during Bag Babe TV, 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. Until then, subscribe, check out the latest 31 news. Here is my latest video, and here's an awesome playlist just for you. Ta-ta for now. Bye.